Growing up, I have seen and heard a lot of OFW stories sa mga movies, documentaries, and even news. I've seen the excitement, the fear, and the sacrifices. Lots and lots of sacrifices. And then unexpectedly, I have become one of them. Overseas Filipino workers. Ang binansagang mga modernong bayani ng bayan. And after 5 years of being an OFW, these are the 5 valuable life lessons I've learned so far in this journey. Number one, fighting spirit is your armor. Nakakatakot magsimula, pero di ba mas nakakatakot pa rin pag hindi mo sinubukan? So apart from bringing the essentials, lakas ng loob talagang unang binaon ko. There are times you'll be telling yourself, gusto mo nang umuwi. Just because you're finding things difficult here, pero sabi ka nung huli ko paulit-ulit, laban lang, and you know what, true enough, things are no better. Number two, kindness goes a long way. This journey can be different for every individual. Some of us might take more time to adjust on this new life. So ikaw, if you're able, support them. Help them. For me, I can say that I'm blessed enough to be surrounded by people who extended their kindness when I was just starting. So ikaw, pag settle ka na, I think it's time for you to pay it forward. Number three, be open to changes. Culture shock could be a major problem for a newbie. Even myself experienced it. Remember, hindi lang ikaw ang nag-a-adjust, but even the people around you. So, learn how to blend in and embrace the good changes that is waiting for you. And another thing, mag-research ka. Next on my list, money is not everything. Financial stability is every OFW's goal. Pero sa totoo lang, there are things I realize na mas mahalaga kaysa sa pera. Good health, happiness, and peace of mind. Yan talaga dapat ang ultimate goal. And finally, family is your home. Totoo pala yung kasabihan na absence makes a heart grows fonder. Yung kahit gano'ng ka-exciting minsan ng OFW life, you can travel dito, travel doon, there's still one place that you wanna go home to. And that is your family. That is our palagi.